Hey, how's it going? And welcome to my cold start video. Well, probably like 3 days ago, it was minus 24 when I started this old rig up. And today, it's probably about the same. I didn't start my truck yesterday, it was minus 18. So just a recommendation, before you're turning on your vehicle when it's this cold, you should always make sure your heater's off. And yeah, let's see if this old Ford can fire up. Yeah. This is only minus 21. The weather, you're wrong. It's minus 26 here, for frick's sakes. So yeah, old Ford. Gonna go get some gas, maybe push the driveway a bit from the snow, clear off a bit more of this snow with the snow brush, and turn off the back street, boys, because no one wants to hear that, but